The other day I went for my doctor's test and I checked because I've been very sick for many months. And my sickness has been more serious than all of you. And I know it. Because last year during Dharma Talk, I want you guys to remember, last year during the Dharma Talk, I already said, starting next year, 2009, next year, the signs of my death will start to appear. Starting next year, that's this year, the signs of my death. That means whatever you see in my body now will be the beginning of my death. I will slowly die from today on. From this year on, I will slowly die. Some of you believe me, some of you don't believe me, but I proved to you by my video. So when I talked to the doctor said, what I have here, if it's not taken care of, there's a percentage, a small percentage, it can turn into Barrett's, which is esophagus cancer. Do you know why a Lama would get esophagus cancer? Because the karma for him to speak the Dharma is ended by the students. He cannot speak anymore. That means whatever the Lama tells the students, they get angry, they show anger back, they don't change, they don't transform. The karma will come back, the Lama cannot speak, even if he lives. Be careful. It happened to one of my gurus. He told me. So now, in my body is the signs of cancer. I promise you. Don't make me show you more. I've already warned everybody last year. I didn't go for any tests. It's my own feeling. Because I know when I will die. I know the year and I know my age when I will die. I know for sure. If I told you, you guys would be very scared. How you're thinking now, you will change completely. If I told you, you will immediately change your mind. So whatever you're angry with, whatever you're happy with, it's just very small things. Now, why am I telling you this? For one reason, I want to scare you into doing Dharma. It's the truth. What else am I telling you? I don't want sympathy. I don't need your sympathy. I don't need your money for my medical. I don't need you to come here and serve me. I've got many wonderful people helping me. I'm telling you this, and I proved it on the video, to push you to do more Dharma work. Please don't waste time. Now, for this esophagus cancer not to manifest, there are 3 ways. 1, of course I go for medical treatment. Of course. Number 2, why am I getting this? I'm getting this because of my work, because of my stress, because of my tolerance level, because of my body being tired, because of my immune system being worn down, because of all the problems I have experienced. And now that we're building TKL, there's going to be even more problems coming. Many, many more. Now, we cannot stop the problems from coming. But if each one of you humble yourself down and make your ego down and keep your responsibilities and work hard in what you have promised, the 3 jewels, when you took refuge, you will create very powerful karma for me to live long. Very powerful karma. That's why at the end of our prayers we always do Gangrida Rekoresh Namdir, isn't it? That is to dedicate His Holiness and all the High Lamas to live long, particularly our Lama. The word is Dalai Lama, of course Dalai Lama, but it includes our root Guru. So therefore, if we're angry with our Guru, if we break our promise to our Guru, if we are sneaky and we don't do our job, we always make problems, then we do that dedication. It has no power. So even to help your Guru live long, you cannot do. Even to help your Guru live long, you cannot do. So how do you make your Guru live long? If you do long life mantras, that's wonderful, but that's not powerful enough. Whatever promises you made to your Guru, you do it. And when you keep that promise, because it's directly related to me, the karma will come directly to me. Directly. Second is, many, many large pujas must be done for me. Starting this year. Huge. Let me tell you why. If I do not do TKL, we don't have to do large pujas. A lot of the problems will go away. I think I'll heal very fast. If we don't do TKL, why? Because TKL's load will come to me. The stress, the headaches, the problems, the people problems, human resource problems will all come to me. Because all these problems will come to me, it will manifest in sickness. Because I cannot go crazy. It's impossible I can go crazy. So it can only come in sickness. Only in sickness. So therefore, if a lot of pujas are done, the pujas make up for what you're not able to do, collect merit. So how do you collect merit? You collect merit by pressing down on your ego and working every day from care, gratitude, compassion, and love. When you press your ego down and you work from care, and gratitude means repay kindness of others, repay kindness of your guru, repay kindness, then the karma is the merit is very big. When you operate every day and you do your work from selfishness, don't care. I want my friends, I want to go out and see food, I want to sleep, I want money, I'm worried about my career, I'm worried about my body. You're always worried about yourself. Then whatever dharma work or work you do, the merit is, there's no merit, the karma is very small. So therefore, if we don't do TKL, and we close down some departments, this will heal very fast. Very, very fast. You get no more stress. I don't need to talk so much. I don't need so many of you. Just a small group of students I teach. The funny students, bye-bye. Out. I don't need. You don't need, I don't need. Now, if we're going to do TKL, 100% of the stress will come to me. And the stress will manifest, is normal with everybody, in sickness. In sickness. Why am I telling you this? To make you feel sorry for me? No. To give you another reason to practice. And what is that reason? Let's share the responsibility. Share. Because the responsibility is huge. Do not every day have anger, ego, don't change, make excuses, only think about yourself, never be paid by kindness, and then just give money for pujas for your Lama long life. It's not going to work. How can you always not be ashamed of the way you think and be ashamed of the way you act and your broken promises, and then you just give $10, $20 for puja? You give $10, $20 for your Lama to live to build a $400 million temple. How can $10 equal 400 million? Then you say, well, I don't have money. How? You have a mind to put your ego down. You have a mind to put your ego down. You think carefully on 3 levels. The lowest level. 3 levels. Listen carefully, 3 levels. You think on 3 levels. The lowest level is, has your Lama given you food? How many times has your Lama fed you? How many times did you feed your Lama? Has your Lama given you money? How many times did you give your Lama money? Has your Lama given you clothes? Have you given your Lama clothes? How many times did your Lama give you advice? How many times did you give advice to your Lama? How many times did the Lama scold you when you did wrong? How many times did the Lama help you in your friends, your relationship with your family, with your friend, with your partners? How many times did you help your Lama? How many times did the Lama ask how you are, or check how you are, pay for your phone bills, take care of your rental, take care of your body? But how have you taken care of your Lama? On that level, you should be very humble to your Lama. And you should show gratitude. Chinese, we call filial. Back to your Lama. On the very low level. That's for people who think low level. On a low level, if you cannot repay the kindness back of this person, you will never, ever be happy. You will never have friends. And whatever friends or people or partner you have will be short-term. Why? Your character come out. They will know your character. Bye-bye. Very fast. And if you let this character come out, if you let this character in you come out, it will become bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Because why? If it can come out with your Lama, it can come out anywhere. Anywhere. Now, second level is, I love my mother, I love my father, and I will do Dharma work and dedicate to my mother and father. That if I go disco and parties and I make money and I make friends and I go eat a young child, that's all I do. You can do that, but not all. Only that. It will not help my parents. So on the second level, to have gratitude to one's mother and father. They're old, they're gonna die, or they're dead. And you can enjoy yourself? So on the second level, pame kaching chema. Think about one's parents' kindness. And do Dharma work. And Dharma work is how much Dharma work you do should never be enough. Why? When we see our friends, it's never enough. When we go disco, it's never enough. When we make money, it's never enough. When we go with our boyfriend, girlfriend, it's never enough. When we also go to parties, it's never enough. Why is it never enough? Because our selfish mind never get enough. That's all. Our selfish mind never get enough. Then, on the medium level, Jimba, to do Dharma work, to pay back our mother and father's kindness. On the highest level, the best level, is everybody is in our situation. Everybody is in our predicament. Everybody suffer, angry, happy, not happy, greedy, selfish, just like me. But they don't have the Dharma and chance to practice. But I have the chance to practice. I have a guru. I can listen to my guru's words. I can listen to the Dharma. As Soramji said, how fortunate I am. In Malaysia, we have 26 million people. How many people is practicing Dharma? I don't think even 1 million. Out of 26 million people, how many is listening to the Dharma? I think not even 100,000. Then even if 100,000 Malaysians can listen to the Dharma, how many Malaysians is actually meditating, practicing, become monk, become nun, and practice seriously? I think not even 10. So if you can listen to your guru's Dharma, if you can listen to the teachings of the Dharma, and you're here, even you're happy or not happy, you want to, you don't want to, you force yourself, or it's your job or not your job, you're here, is by your good UN affinity from your previous life. How many people in Malaysia can listen to the Dharma? How many? How many? You think? So you think, how lucky I am. That's what Soramji told us when we attended his teachings in Los Angeles. He gave us how many people in Los Angeles, minutes, how many people can be in the room to receive Dharma from Soramji. So I'm telling you now, I'm not a great Lama, I'm not Soramji, but what I speak to you is great, because I get from Soramji. I repeat that because I'm not trying to make myself special here. But the fact that you can listen to the Dharma, and hear the Dharma, how many millions of people cannot? They're going out with their friends, they're going out eating, sleeping, just have fun. Actually, it's not fun, they think it's fun. They think it's fun. How many people? So how come you can be here to listen to the Dharma? And so more, the listening to the Dharma you listen to, I want you to think deeper now. Please put your mind focused and think deeper. I'm not teaching you how to pray and do rituals and mantra. I'm teaching you how to check your mind. What Dharma else do you want? This is not a cult. This is not some fake prayer. This is not just an empty temple. This is not just a sermon on a Sunday, just a talk on a Sunday by a priest. I'm not talking about God. I'm not talking about punishment. I'm not talking about karma. I'm talking about the real thing, the real issue, your mind. Your mind. So if I'm talking about pray, but you can pray, you don't pray, you go hell, you think, okay, maybe, maybe not. If I'm sitting here talking, oh, you have to chant, I don't talk about anything else, think, okay, maybe after a while you say, maybe that's it, the easy way out. What am I talking to you about? I'm not scaring you. By threatening something bad will happen to you. I'm telling you nature's course for our mind. So you think about it. In fact, with our Lama, we should be very humble. And if we make a mistake, instead of hiding, we should say, I'm sorry to our Lama immediately. In fact. Because no one else in your life can ever speak to you like this again. No one else can tell you the truth. No one else can make you feel embarrassed. No one else can make you angry. No one else can make you change. No one else can make you think. Only your Lama. No one else. I promise you, if your mother and father talk to you like this, you just watch TV and eat the Dorito and you just ignore them. It's not that you disrespect them. They didn't get far with their life either. No one else can talk to you like this. So why am I saying this? Because at least you have some respect for the Dharma. That's why you can have me talk to you the truth. So if you have respect for Dharma, don't lose that respect. By being angry, selfish, running away, and worst thing is break your commitment. Oh, very bad. Ask yourself, in this year 2009, since January until now, what have I done for my Lama? Ask yourself. And you write it down. You go home and write it down. And then you write another piece of paper. What has my Lama given me? You write down on a piece of paper. And you write down all the things your Lama gave you. Advice, words, help, money, rental, everything you write down. And then you write down all the things that you gave your Lama. And then you read it every day. And then you say, how come what I get from my Lama is more, but what I give my Lama is very little? How come? Why should we think like that? To provoke and push our mind to see what we're doing and who we are. To push our mind to be more. That's why we do that exercise. Now, if you have deep respect for your Lama, you know what will happen? You will listen to your Dharma's, you will listen to your Lama's Dharma talk from logic, think about it, change. Or from deep respect for your Lama. Even you don't understand the Dharma talk, you just do it. And then when you do it, later things come out correct. Why? When we're young, we listen to what our mother says. We just do it. When we grow up, we say, oh, now I know why. But when we're little, when we do what our mother say, we don't understand. In fact, they have to force us to do it. Maybe beat us. Then when we grow older, instead of hating our mother, we hug our mother and say, thank you, I love you so much. Because we remember all the time she helped us. Similarly, your Lama will be the same. Except now your mother cannot help you anymore. Your mother cannot do anything for you anymore. Your Lama can. Because your mother has brought you to one level, your Lama will bring you to the next level. The Lama will bring you to the next level. Now, hence in the Gelugpa tradition, the Guru Puja is the most important puja. Then you say, oh, but Rinpoche, you're doing the puja to your Guru Sovereignty, how does it help us? Oh, how silly. When I make confessions to my Guru, Sovereignty, and I make prayers to my Guru, and I make requests to my Guru blesses all of you. My Guru will help all of you. How? By me doing this, I collect great amount of merits. I dedicate the merits back to you. So today I will confess to my Guru the doubts I had. Yes, Rinpoche still has doubts. Not big ones like you, but I have. Confess my anger. I confess my selfishness. Even sometimes I think, oh, I want to run away. Forget Malaysia, forget TK, I'll just run. I think that you can ask them. I told them a few times. So now I can confess to my Guru, how dare I run away from my duties? Because I can't run away from myself. And today I will also praise my Guru's qualities. I will make offerings to my Guru, talk and beautiful sensory offerings, and black tea and lights and candles. I'll offer to my Guru. And I will request my Guru to take care of us in this life and future lives in the bardo and in death and in the river. So I will collect a great amount of merits for making offerings to my Guru. So once I get that, it's like getting an amount of money. I can give you the money or keep it. So today, when I collect the merits, I dedicate it to you. So therefore, every day, one should ask oneself, you should ask yourself, stop asking, why is the Guru talking to me like this? Why is the Guru treating me like this? Why is the Guru acting like that? Why is he doing like this? You should ask, what am I doing? How am I helping? If the Guru talk like you, oh, I had enough, oh, I want to go with my friends, oh, I don't have enough money, oh, I want to do business, oh, I'm not ready, you will not be here. If I talk like you will not be here. If I think like you will not be here. So if you think like you, why I should be here? How come you can think like you, but I cannot think like you? How come? You think to yourself. This is criticism? No. This is words that make you think. The specialty of my Dharma is thought-provoking. I make people think. So how come you can go and make money, you can be famous, you can go and buy big houses, you yourself can have a relationship, you can run around, have friends, and go and have young child all the time. How come you can do that, but I cannot? How come when you're ready to come back to the Dharma, I have to be here? How about if I go have a good time and you wait for me? Of course you won't wait for me, will you? You say, this is crazy, he act like that, bye-bye. So, whether our Guru is a Buddha or not is not the point. But the Guru teaches us the Buddha's words. And the Guru teaches us the compassionate wisdom of the Buddha. Hence, when we view our Guru as a Buddha and respect our Guru due to these words and this advice, our minds will change. The purpose to respect your Guru is not so he becomes a monster and he does what he wants to you. The purpose to respect your Guru is because no one else can talk to you anymore. No one else. Your ego is too big, your selfish mind is too thick, and your mind for 20 years, 30 years, polluted by samsara. Meaning what? Just everything in samsara that's negative is in your mind, and you are very easy to do it. So for that reason, no one can talk to you anymore. Your school teacher cannot, your professors cannot, your friends, very difficult, your brothers, sisters cannot, even your partners, your lovers cannot talk. Even if your partners and brothers and sisters, the wife and husband try to talk to you, you will fight back. You will shout back. You will argue back. Why will you argue back? Because your selfishness is getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. So what's the solution? Stop it. Just stop it. Stop it now. Feel shame, regret, and stop it now. Because no one else can talk to you like this anymore. No one else. Is that not true? You think about it. So why is it you allow your Guru to talk to you like this? Why? Because your Guru doesn't talk like other people in your life. Your Guru talks differently. And the Guru gives you a different message. So inside your heart, you respect. That's why in front of our Guru, we should sit with great respect. We should keep our feet down. We should not sit higher than our Guru, unless we have a physical problem. We should sit with our body straight, and our face should face our Guru, and we should always sit. When we receive Dharma teachings, our body posture should be like this, if possible. Always. No other position. If we sit like this, like this, like this, like this, like that, like this, with our Guru, you don't even respect someone who cares about you. So why should people respect you? Why should people respect you? And if people don't respect you, you don't respect people, then life has no more meaning. You're not happy. Anybody wants respect, everybody. So therefore, when we receive Dharma teachings, to train our body to be alert and to sit with respect, you know what that is? Let me tell you. It is a way to cut our selfish mind. How is that? Because our selfish mind wants us just to be frivolous and relax and don't care. But our mind disciplines us to do more. It's very, very important. Now, the first signs of my death has appeared this year. Clearly. That's the first sign of my death. Please do not take this as a joke or take it like I'm just talking. I'm telling you one word. My death. So today, be humble and respectful. Don't play with my life. I'm talking about my death today. Now, I don't have control of my body, but I have some feelings sometimes of what's going to happen. I'm not a Buddha and I cannot control my rebirth, although some people may think so. But I know if I pray to my Guru, I will take a good rebirth. I know that. Now, if all of you cooperate, not just people in this room, all my students cooperate, work very hard, and TKL will come